I recently bought this old grasshopper lawnmower for 200 bucks. In my last video, I discovered that this motor was right full of water, and when I tried to rev this thing up, it puked a bunch of oil / water out of the carburetor. So I changed the oil in this thing, and this time it's actually at the correct level. So let's fire this thing up and see how she runs. Oh yeah, sounds way better. Well, this thing runs pretty good, so let's see if she drives. Well, she moves. Well, now we know this thing runs really good, so let's see if we can get that back tire changed so we can rip this thing around. I got a back tire on this thing now, so let's take this thing for a spin. Well, this thing runs and drives, so let's go cut some grass. I got the mower here, so let's see if it'll cut this grass. Well, there you have it. This thing actually cuts grass, not too bad, and for 200 bucks, that's pretty good. Well, that's going to be it for this video, so thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned, because I will be doing more lawnmower videos throughout the summer. So with all of that, we'll see you guys later.